Good morning, students. In the social and political life category, in the first chapter, that is diversity. In the diversity, we were discussed in the previous class what is the meaning of diversity and causes for the diversity. And in today's class, we are going to continue with the same topic, that is the causes of diversity. The points are left out. So and how the diversity in India is being seen. So these are the two topics. One is causes of diversity and the diversity in India, how it is represented. That we will be learning in today's class. So students, in the previous class we had discussed the meaning of diversity. Let me recall. So diversity is the state of being different and inequality is the state of being unequal. So though we are having different following the different religion practices, different of opinions, so in all the matters of the human beings we have different, but even though we are living together. So diversity in the sense having different thoughts, different opinions, different appearance, different practices, all those things. So diversity is being, that is difference is there in all the aspects, but even then we are living together. So unity in diversity. So diversity is the state of being different and inequality is the state of being unequal. Inequality comes or arises because of the lack of resources and the opportunities that are available to other people in the society, because of the differentiation in the caste system or in the treating of person from the upper caste to the lower caste, or in the upper regions people and between and the lower people in the society based on the classification which they have done, like job, education, position, status, employment, all these, and even based on the gender, that is considering male and the female differentiation, all these causes also diversity. But even then we are living together, that we are all humans. So diversity is nothing but state of being different. Inequality is the state of being unequal. So, students, coming to the causes of diversity. So, what we discussed in the previous class, diversity is caused by many factors because of the differences in several factors, like mainly basically which is the main thing which causes the differentiation or the diversity means history and geography and occupational difference and language, religion, physical characteristics of the people. These are the main points which we consider well. We talk about the diversity. We have already discussed about the history, geography and occupation differences, is it? In today's class we will discuss about the language, religion and physical characteristics of the people. So children, could if you could see the different landforms, that is the first one, the mountain range, the desert, the Deccan Plateau and the coastal. This is different landforms. We have plains, mountains, desert and the plateaus. Because of the different changes in the landforms leads to changes in the climate weather, and the climate weather leads to the changes in the food habits, dress, customs, tradition and the occupation of the people. These are the main reasons for the diversity. Understood? So children, coming to the language. Basically, without language, we cannot understand what the one man is able is having in his mind, the thought or the what is expressing. Before the man used to express through actions, body language, everything. But after learning the language, it has become very difficult for to understand. Because why? Because the language which is spoken by one person is going to differ, because the region which he settled over, some will speak Hindi, some will speak Kannada, some will Hindi. Because of the different languages, we also see the differences in the people of the language which they speak. So in India, it is around 1600 languages and the dialects. Dialects is nothing but in a particular region, the people is going to speak that particular language, and the particular language, when we consider the pronunciation, the grammar, and the words which they use is going to be differ from place to place, region to region. For example, in India we have different states. In each state the language is going to be differ, and 22 languages are being recognized by our Constitution of India. Constitution, which is the supreme law, has been made. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ 22 ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ಗಣನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 22 ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ differences in the person. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧರ್ಮ. ಭಾರತದಂಥ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಥವಾ ದೇಶನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಭಾಷೆ, ಉಡುಪು, ಧರ್ಮ, ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನಿಸುಗಳು, ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳು, ಆಂಗಿಕ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲಿಜನ್. ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಜನಾಂಗಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಜನಾಂಗದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನಾಂಗದ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಗಳು, ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು, ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ. Is it? So in India all religious communities enjoy equal status. So though they are following different religion, even then we are accepting and we are expecting the other religions as well along with our religion. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರ ಧರ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರವನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪಾಲನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಷನ್ ವಿಸೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಥ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಆಚರಣೆಗೆ ಒಳಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಆರ್ ದ customs or the business or the language. So he is free to follow what he likes and he does. So India is such a country in which the people are free to practice any of the religion, any of the he can get any education which he prefers, and with any religion he can practice, any language he can speak, but without hurting others. Whatever he does, he can do on his wish, but without hurting others. Then we come across Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, and many more. So there are many number of religions like when we consider India. So religions also makes person differences, that is brings diversity in the society. The religion